Hello again everybody, welcome to another origami tutorial. I am Tree and today I am going to teach you how to make a new cool origami helicopter. This helicopter is my old design and I created based on the real new helicopter. And I hope you guys will enjoy making this origami. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends and subscribe my channel. And now let's start. To make this origami, you need a piece of US letter size paper. But if you don't have US letter size paper, use A4 paper. It should work well too. Now let me flatten this paper down. And then first step, I fold the paper in half. Next, let's start from this edge, fold it to the side. First fold it to this side and then fold it to the other side. Next step, let's turn the paper this way and then start from both sides, fold this to the center crease. And now let's start from this part of the paper, fold straight down. Repeat the same fold for the other side. And then hold up, press down this crease to the center crease. So we finished the first part of the paper. On the following step, let's start from this edge. Let's start from this edge, fold this to this crease, or the other edge. So let's do it this way. And then turn the paper over and imagine that you have a line from this corner straight to this corner and fold the whole part here up. Does look just perfect. On the following step, let's start from this upper layer, match this edge to the edge here. Make sure that all edges are lined up, and this should look like this. And repeat the same fold for the other side. Let's do it. So I'll do it slowly. I'll match this edge to this edge first, and then I will match the edge here to this edge, and then I can press this part of the paper down. Okay, so this is how it should look like. And then I flip the paper over. Now I can start from this edge and I fold to the center crease. And then I unfold the paper. Next, I repeat the same fold for this side. Perfect. And I unfold the paper. Now, I start from this edge right here. I fold to the center crease too. And I repeat the same fold for the other side. And I unfold the paper. Now, I will turn the paper this way. And I can match both edges of this layer together. And because I have the creases here already, it's very easy for me to fold. So I just adjust this one by one. Right, I finished one part of the paper and I press it down. And I repeat the same fold for the other side. Let's rotate the paper and then repeat the same fold. So match it. And then now I can fresh out the paper. This look just fine. Okay, so this is what we have. And now I can fold both sides of the paper here, both part here up, and then I can flip the paper over. Now you can see this layer, this upper layer here. First of all, I need to fold this part of the paper out. Same thing for this triangle shape. Fold both triangle shape out, and then I fold this part down. You can see that, and we keep this one here. So we fold up. Does look perfect, and then I can fold the paper in half. After I fold the paper in half, I can start from this side here. I make a fold, a straight fold to create the wings. Not too much, just a little bit. And then I can repeat the same fold for the other side. I can flip the paper over, and I can use the other edge as a reference to fold it down. Perfect. And now I can fold this side of the paper up. Estimate about 1/2 inch along this edge and fold it up like this, or you can just match this corner to the body. And then I flip the paper over again. Now I repeat the same fold. I would use the other sides of the paper as a reference to fold this wing. So I would just fold it like this. Right, perfect. And then I can unfold the paper. Now this is how it should look like. I look at the tip here. That is fine. This is how it should look like. And now you can open the wings. And this part we can fold out like this. Same thing for this side. So this is how it should look like. And at the end of the paper, we will turn this over, and I will fold this side up. Very simple, just fold up like this. Same thing for this side. Make sure that both sides are even. And now I can press the paper together like this. It should stay together. I will adjust this part a little bit more, and then I will just fold this to a side and fold the other to the other side. And take a look at this. This is how it should look like. Let's cut this out a little bit so this plants look even cooler. And also the wings, propellers. And here you go. This is a new cool origami. I hope you guys will enjoy make this origami. Again, don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe